How to use the Slice tool in Cricut Design Space. Use this with 2 images to create a unique design. Here, we'll create a paw print with the name Harley cut out. Add the images to your canvas, then drag the name on top of the paw print. Place the name exactly where you want it to go. Once you've sliced this image, you can't alter it, only undo it. Now highlight both images, go to the bottom right and select Slice. You'll now see the sliced images. One layer will be the black lettering, another layer will be the slice taken out of the paw print, and the other will be the paw print with the name taken out. You can move the design around or change its size, but won't be able to alter the name inside the print. If you think you're going to make a lot of changes, I suggest using the Subtract tool instead. You can also use any of these cutouts in the design if you wanted to. A common way people use the Slice tool is to make cut lines. When you're engraving a name, sometimes you may need to fill in the name with something called cut lines. Check out this video at the end to learn more. Here's a tip: make sure that your image is welded or united together before you try and slice. The Slice tool only works with welded or united images. Please like and subscribe to learn more about Cricut Design Space. Look out for phone and iPad tutorials coming soon. Let us know if there's something you're struggling with. Thanks for watching.